So here we are in a delightful iced over Swiss waterfall where Mark is filling up his water for the evening. I'm guessing this area probably doesn't receive much sun as it is a very deep valley. As you can see, there's a waterfall up there.
I can fill it. I'll fill the other one too. Or fill one to win. Yeah, here, do that. Come on, please. The crossing.
So it's like the worst possible place to cross.
No, that's good. You go right down there to the left.
Yep.
And step on the wet rock, and then you're good.
Mm-hmm.
The wet rock. What's that?
The ice is pretty dense here. Yeah. Just gonna descend a little bit here to make it easier to cross. You can see the rocks are fairly unconsolidated, shift quite nicely below my feet. We've gone down a little bit too far here, but that's okay. That's not going to work. I'll pick that up momentarily. Crossing with two hands might be a little more useful here. Oh yeah, this water is very nice and ice cold. Delightful. Feels very wonderful on the skin, which has been hot all day. Shifting a rock out of the way there for myself. There we go. Safely across. And now up. As you can see, we've safely regained the pathway on the other side. We'll actually continue across another waterfall here. Thankfully, not covered in ice. You see up here, there's some ice formation up there. Up a little slope here. Actually, the pathway is fairly well stamped down for me. And then let's take a look back across here for some perspective. Oh, I hope the sun's not blinding it out there. Here we go. There's a magnificent Swiss waterfall crossing.